Kristen, and welcome to another tips and tricks video brought to you by AppsEvents and Acer. And in today's video, we are going to take a look at part 2 of Publish to the Web, today focusing on sheets and slides and how you can use the Publish to the Web feature within these two, just like you can in Google Docs, to help you communicate, to help you keep things updated, and to share information with students, parents, and colleagues. So let's first take a look at Google Sheets. Now on Sheets, I have more options for how to publish. So if I go to File, Publish to the Web, my first option here is I can publish the entire document, which I always recommend you do first, because that means the whole thing, once you give the link, is live. Now, if I don't want to share the whole thing, I just want to share one tab, I click this entire document option and I change it. So maybe I just want to look at student A and I want to share just student A's file instead of the whole document. I give that a click, my link updates. So when I paste this in, it looks like a web page. It's got the tables, it's got the graphs, but I can't change the tabs. I can't get to anybody else's data. It's just here, this one just for me. And so I love using this for things like reading logs, for student password files. I have one master doc with one tab per student. I publish it to the web, I share their link with just them on Google Classroom, and they can come back to it. If I have to update anything, it automatically updates for them. But it's one file on my end, one master document, and then the links are published out there for them to be able to refer back to as needed. But again, if I wanted to do the whole page, the whole document, it's a different link. I copy, I paste it in, and then up at the top, you have all the different tabs that I have visible. If I have a tab hidden, it will not show up on here. And then again, just like Google Docs, this updates every 5 minutes. Then I said you had more options with Sheets. The other options you have is not just a web page. Maybe you want a CSV file or a tab separated file, or you want it to generate as a PDF. Any of these options, you just change it, you copy the new link, you share it with whomever you're sharing it with, and then you can see this created a PDF of that snapshot at that time. But again, if they come back to it later, the PDF will update for the new whatever has been put in or any changes I have made. So you have options on how to share, what format you want it to be given in, how you want them to be able to view it. You've got all those different things you can look at. And then the third one, and probably my favorite option for Publish to the Web, is in Slides. And this is because when you go to File, Publish to the Web, you just click Publish. I know it says Auto Advance, doesn't matter unless you have transitions built into your slideshow. If you have no transitions, it still needs a click. But you publish to the web, you click OK, you copy the link, you paste it in just like everything else, but it opens just in view. It becomes much more user-friendly. And then of course, if it was multiple slides, they could navigate by clicking. So I love this, and I think it's a great way to kind of give materials to students that they don't need to edit themselves, because it's just there, it's ready to go. They just need to tap and click. It makes videos easier to watch, it makes links to other websites easier for them. So if they don't have to type anything or edit anything, and you're just providing materials through slides or sheets or docs, this is a great way to make it much easier for navigation. And then of course, just like I mentioned last time with Google Docs, you still have the choice to switch this from just a static link that you provide to somebody to having that embed code so that you can build it into another website, into your LMS, your communications platform, and have it as a live view of that automatically updating slides or sheets file within that other website. So everything can be contained in one location, easy to access for you, your students, their parents, your colleagues, and make it even easier for sharing. And again, you have to love the automatic updating. So I hope you've walked away with some new ideas of tricks that can help you, and we'll see you back next time for some more tips and tricks. Bye.